Hey everyone, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. Today's strategy, I'm going to reveal two strategies to finding hot products, or to give you hot product ideas. The first strategy is review your competitors. So perhaps you're looking to get into a specific niche, maybe the fitness niche, and you want to sell maybe fitness balls, medicine balls, maybe gloves, and maybe sort of fitness devices. Well, review what the potential competitors are, or what they're selling, right? Because you'll get some really good ideas from them. Okay, so that's the first strategy, review competitors. The second strategy is jump on Amazon's hot selling list. Now, if you type in the words, I think Amazon bestseller list or Amazon hot selling list, you'll see a big range of potential products that will give you, well, in the niche, in the specific industries, industry by industry, it will tell you what is the hot selling products in those particular niches and in industries. So I get a lot of ideas doing that. So there's two strategies today that you can use to identify some potential hot products. Now, you might not get these hot products and go, yeah, I want to jump on them. You still got to do further interest, guys. I wouldn't leave it there. You still got to burrow down even deeper and decide whether or not you want to import those products. But I'm just saying that would be a good starting point. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Talk to you real soon, guys, and happy importing and happy Amazon business. Let's get started.